Good morning, boys and girls. This will be your morning work for today. The truth about real Christmas trees is the side I'll be reading first. We have two different sides, and it says the truth about real Christmas trees. Real Christmas trees are classic, beautiful, and have been used for around 1,000 years. However, in more recent years, artificial Christmas trees have become popular. The question for many Americans today lies in which tree is best for their family and the environment around them. The real Christmas trees that are typically purchased by Americans are usually grown and raised by farmers. This provides jobs for nearly 100,000 farmers in the United States. On average, it takes approximately 7 years for a sapling to grow to be 8 to 10 feet tall. Growing a Christmas tree is also a complex year-round process. After saplings are planted, the farmers must mow the grass throughout the tree farm, pull weeds from around the trees, monitor monitor them for diseases, and apply pesticides and fertilizer. Although this process can be long and demanding, the trees are also absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen into the air for on the tree farm. An average acre on a Christmas tree farm can supply approximately 18 people with their daily supply of oxygen. Younger trees also produce more oxygen, thus giving another reason to cut down larger, older trees. After trees are harvested in the winter, farmers typically replant 1 to 3 saplings for each tree harvested. This will ensure that they can supply trees in years to come. While these beautiful firs are growing, they are also providing a habitat to the wildlife of the local area. So that's the real truth about real trees, Christmas trees.